Hello students, now I am going to explain algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. In the previous session we discussed how to solve a pair of linear equations graphically. Now we will discuss to find the solution of pair of linear equations using three methods. The first one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. Actually, what is linear equation? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear equation. Pair of linear equation example a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now I am going to explain the steps for substitution method. First step, find the value of one variable, say y in terms of the other variable, that is x from either equation. We pick either of the equations and write one variable in terms of the other. Okay. Second step, substitute this value of y in the other equation and reduce it. Third step, substitute the value of x in step 2 in the equation used in step 1 to obtain the other variable. We have substituted the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equations. That's why the method is known as substitution method. Now we are going to solve the problem. Solve the following equations by substitution method. The given equations are x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. We have to choose x plus y is equal to 14 is the first equation and x minus y is equal to 4 second equation. Now we have to interchange the value x value to RHS. Take the first equation. Actually our equation is x plus y is equal to 14. Now I am going to change the value x to RHS y equal to 14 minus x. Substitute the y value in second equation. Substitute the y value in second equation. What is our second equation? X minus y is equal to 4. X value, actually x minus of y value is 14 minus x is equal to 4. Now minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus is equal to 4. 1x plus 1x 2x. Now change the minus 14 value to RHS. So 4 plus 14. So 2x is equal to 18. So what is our x value? 18 by 2, that is 9. Next we have to calculate the y value also. Y is equal to 14 minus x. So we have to apply here the x value. 14 minus 9. So that is y is equal to, what is the y value? 5. X value is 9, y value is 5. Now we have to check the values. What is our equation? X minus y is equal to 4. Our x value is 9, y value is 5. So 4 is equal to 4. LHS is equal to RHS. So our answers are correct. Next one, elimination method. I am going to explain steps for elimination method. First, multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constants to make the coefficients of one variable numerically equal. Suppose two equations are given, we have to check the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. That values are different. No, we can't cancel the values. So we have to change the value to same pattern. Second step. Then add or subtract the equation one variable gets eliminated, get one variable. We have to add or subtract the equations means automatically one coefficient of x value or y value eliminated. That time we get another variable. Third step. Substitute this value in either of the original equations to get the value of the other variable. Okay. The problem, solve the following equations by elimination method. What is our equation? 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Here coefficient of x value 3. In second equation coefficient of x value 2. Both are different. Second value coefficient of y is 4. Coefficient of y is minus 2. Coefficient of y values are multiples of 2. So we have to select the y value. Okay. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Second equation. Now write the first equation directly. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. We are going to multiply the second equation by 2. So 2 into 2x, 4x. Again 2 into 2y minus 4y. 2 into 2, 4. Look at the coefficient of y value. Both are same number but different sign. So directly cancel the values. 3x plus 4x, 7x. 10 plus 4, 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7. So the answer is 2. Next we need a y value. So substitute x value in any one of the equation. Okay, first equation. What is our first equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 of 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. So 4y is equal to 10. 3 into 2, 6. Change the plus 6 value to RHS, that is minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 4y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 by 4, 1. Now we get the value x value 2, y value 1. Again we have to check the values. Take any one equation. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. What is our x value? 2. Apply the y value also. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, LHS value is equal to RHS. Our answers are correct. Okay. Next one, cross multiplication method. Here we have to arrange in some format. First step, write the equations in the form. That is coefficient of x, coefficient of y, constant. We have to choose the values. First, we are going to write the coefficient of x place means we don't take the x value. Directly we have to choose y and constant. Coefficient of y value b1, b2 and constant c1, c2. So here write b1, b2, c1, c2. Next we are going to write in y place. Y place means we don't take y value. Coefficient of x value and constant. X value a1, a2, constant c1, c2. Already we write c1, c2. So directly write a1, a2 only. Next constant place means we have to choose x and y value. Already we write x value. So here we are going to write y value only, that is b1, b2. Next one is actually that is multiplication format only. X by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Actually this diagram is very helpful to using cross multiplication method. Next one we have to compare the x value with constant and y value also with constant. Okay. Solve the following equations by cross multiplication method. Here we are going to write the equations in some format. That is, first we have to choose x value, y value and constant value. First we are going to write the equation 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Directly we have to write minus 9 equal to 0. Next equation 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we are going to write in x place means we don't take x value. Directly y and constant. What is our y value? 5, 2. Constant value minus 9, minus 4. Next going to write in y place means don't take y value. Directly write x and constant. Already I write minus 9, minus 4. So what are the x values? 8, 3. Next choose a constant value. So take x and y. Already I write x value. So directly write y value only. Next step, we are going to do cross multiplication. 5 into minus 4, that is minus 20. Next upward means we have to put a negative symbol, then multiply the values. 2 into minus 9, minus 18. Next one, minus 9 into 3, minus 27. Minus of minus 4 into 8, minus 32. Next one, 8 2s are 16, minus, directly we have to multiply 5 into 3, 15. Okay. X by minus 20, minus to minus plus 18. Y by minus 27 plus 32. Then 1 by 16 minus 15. What is the answer? 1. Now x by minus 20 plus 18. So the answer is minus 2. Next one, y by 32 minus 27, 5. Next 1 by 1. Now we have to compare the y value to constant. Okay. So x by minus 2 is equal to 1. So what is our x value? Minus 2. Next, compare the y value with constant. That is y by 5 is equal to 1. Directly we have to choose y is equal to 5. X value is equal to minus 2. Y value is equal to 5. You can check from the problem that the solution we have got is correct. Okay. That's all.